Hey, you all know I love Port Orange, right? Here's another reason I do. I love Port Orange because we are right on the coast. We have beaches. So 5 minutes from my house, I can drive over to the beach. I love, as you can tell by my tan, I love boating. I love surfing, all that kind of stuff. So we are a coastal community. Not only is it a great place to raise kids and great schools and a great family, great place to retire, but if you like the ocean, if you like the water, you like that type of environment, it's wonderful. We have a great marina, we have great restaurants, we have just a lot of things going for us in Port Orange. So I made this video. Hope you enjoy it, and there'll be more coming on other areas of Port Orange, but enjoy the coastal side of Port Orange and my favorite places. Just came off of Dunlawton, going east to the bridge. Right here is Aunt Catfish. Great place, local place to eat. Incredible salad buffet. Incredible seafood place. Fan favorite. One of the best. Along here, it is some direct oceanfront homes. Most of these homes are older. Some have been remodeled, updated, that sort of thing, but they all have beautiful views right over the intercoastal. Great sunrises in the morning. The sun comes up directly east over. A lot of them have docks. All of these have access to the intercoastal, to the inlet. So if you're a boater or a fisherman, it's great. A lot of these homes were built in the late 1800s when Port Orange was founded. This used to be a dirt road, horse and buggy, all that kind of stuff. So I sold a house in 0506. It was built in 1893. And it was on the historic registry. So this particular road goes all the way down, B Street goes all the way down about 3.5 miles to the end, right about Rose Bay, one of the south bridges. So really, really nice place. Beautiful, beautiful view. Dunlawton. This time we're going to take a left just north of where we just were, those beautiful homes. Wanted to show you this because this heads into a new area of Port Orange that the city's been working on for a while to develop, and we have this great restaurant that is set to open called Fish. 11,000 square foot restaurant directly on the water. The largest restaurant in Volusia County, 11,000 square feet or something like that. Insane. So this is going to be a hub. It right in this area is going to be developed for more restaurants, for a marina, all kinds of shops and things like that that are all going to connect into the city center, the Chamber of Commerce building. There's a public splash pad here, all this kind of stuff. So we're very excited in Port Orange to have this being developed right on our waterfront. It's going to be, there again, it's going to be great for the community, for tourism, and for families. Now we're going to head directly towards the ocean on the causeway. A lot of folks will sit on either side of this bridge. Great fishing, cast a line. There's a bait shop right up here on the right, Donald's Bait and Tackle. And that directly leads underneath the bridge where our boaters can go and put their boat in, and you can fish off the docks. But up here on the right, there is a little cute subdivision called Bird Island I wanted to show you. here it is. We're going to take a right into Bird Island. And this spit of land in 0506 almost got developed. The owner sold it to a developer, and they were going to build high-rise condos. It didn't occur because of the housing market change. But the inside of the island is landlocked, but all these properties on the right are right on the water. They've got docks, a great little village that a lot of people love. A lot of retirees in here, and they just love it. They can walk the bridge, they can go in there, they can fish, get to the restaurants, that sort of thing. It's just a little slice of heaven that a lot of people have never seen and should take a look at. Take a right out of Seabird Island, and this goes directly under the Port Orange Bridge. It used to be a drawbridge in the 80s. When I was a kid, I used to have to ride my bike to go surfing and wait for the boats to go under. When you're 15, 16, that was not a lot of fun. Anyway, so this is where all the locals in Port Orange and from other areas, it's a great boat ramp. You got to get here early because it gets crowded on the weekends, but a lot of boaters use this facility. Great place. There's also a jet ski and small boat ramp over on the left-hand side. There's also some docks, so if you like to fish, you can grab some shrimp or some mullet or some frozen shrimp or whatever at the Donald's Bait and Tackle right there, and you can walk on over and cast a line. Check out that view, and there's some folks putting some boats in right now. Hope you're enjoying this video. We got a little more to go, but once again, I'm in real estate. Steve Gardner, eXp Realty. Hit me up. Subscribe to my channel. If you need anything regarding real estate, I do know the area. Okay, here we go. So we are going to head over the bridge. We were just down below it where I showed you where the boat ramp is. So this goes directly over the intercoastal to the peninsula. Right at the the beach ramp, where you can drive on the beach for a little bit of area. There's not a lot, about a mile south, and then it stops, and it's the no-drive beach. But if you're local, you can get a Volusia County resident. You can get a pass for like $35 a year, and they do have daily, so it's kind of fun. You can pull your car up, pull all your chairs out, your cooler, and hang out. We're headed right now. This is south on A1A. And you can see the condos over to the left. Great area to live. Some beautiful condos, beautiful direct ocean front, ocean view, and some views from the river. On the right, coming up here, is Mad Dog Surf Shop, one of my favorite surf shops, so I get my surfboards. And over on the left, we're about to pull in, is what's called Crabby Joes. And Crabby Joes is a pier. There are 2 piers in the area, the Main Street Pier in Daytona, and then this pier. And you can fish off it. And there's also a restaurant on the pier. Great views. You can get you a cold drink, fried fish sandwich, salad. Very, very popular place for the locals and for the tourists. Great place. My favorite surfing spot other than Ponce Inlet and the jetty, we are going to head south and go take a look at some local restaurants, some places I really recommend to go that are right on the water. So we're headed back towards the mainland. We just came over the bridge, now we're going back the other direction on Dunlawton. And up here on the right is a new restaurant called Casual Birds. It's owned by the same family that has Aunt Catfish. Great breakfast sandwiches, amazing gourmet food. And then right here is one of our all-time favorites. It was on the Travel Channel. It's called the Dairy Bar. It's been here forever, ever since I've been a kid. The best chili cheese dogs in town, plus some of the best ice cream you can have, and banana splits. We also have a new, going on their 1-year anniversary, Dunes Brewery. It's a small local brewery. Great atmosphere, beautiful, friendly folks, great place to go hang out, all craft beer made right there on site. Further in, this is the other side of the bridge. Over to the right is Jimmy Hula's. Great tacos, full bar, another great place to go. We usually go there after we've been at the beach or been boating. Great atmosphere. The food is super fresh, real popular. Love it. Can't recommend it more. Then we've got a fish market over here on the right, so if you want fresh fish, seafood, comes right off the boats here locally. And up there on the right, you'll see a little tiki hut. That used to be DJ's, which was a restaurant on the water. Now we have Millie's that's taken it over, and Millie's is a restaurant in town that's farm to table, and they are opening up a fresh, open air, on the water restaurant where you can get a fresh grouper sandwich or triggerfish or that sort of thing, all caught locally, not frozen and store-bought. So we are so looking forward to that. Once again, this is Steve Gardner, eXp Realty. Subscribe to my channel if you like this. Hit me up if you have any real estate needs. As we continue, over here to the right is one of my faves and a tourist fave, local and fan fave. So it's called Our Deck Down Under. They've been here since I can remember as well. Great environment, open bar, open food, grouper sandwich, and they do have the best buffalo shrimp in town. And once again, if you've enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel, hit me up, and I can help you with any of your real estate needs. Your local East Coast, Volusia County realtor.